Hi, my name is Ellen Connor, and I am recording this screencast on behalf of my partner and I, Angela Meyer. Angela and I are both early childhood educators in the Detroit area. I am a kindergarten teacher, and Angela is a pre-K teacher. Angela and I work with a lot of families that or parents that it's their first exposure to teachers as far as having a student in the class or child in the classroom. So this led us to want to work with parents because they do not necessarily know everything that they need to do for their child educationally. So we wanted to educate the parent, which led us to our inquiry question: how can we as educators reach parents in order to educate them on the needs of their children? And for this project, we will be the needs that they will be educating their child on would be concepts of print. And Angela and I chose to do concepts of print because we believe that it's something that was covered both in pre-K and kindergarten curriculums. And for this, we decided to use the Seesaw application. This is a program that Angela and I both use in our classrooms currently. And so we are familiar with it. So we wanted to use that program to reach our parents even further by implementing a blog, which is another aspect of the Seesaw application. So we use the Seesaw application for a blog and then a student learning portfolio, which allows us as teachers to show parents through pictures, videos, their child's work in the classroom relating to concepts of print. And just going through our PDI planning guide, again, it's related to English language arts. We're hoping that this sparks parents and students to start conversations, raise awareness, and take action in relation to their child's learning. And here just are some of the digital literacies competencies that we think will be addressed through this learning experience. Through the articles that parents will read, we think the listening and reading comprehension skills would be addressed, ability to identify the purpose and point of view of the message, and then brainstorm and generate ideas based on the articles and how they can apply that to their child and the work they are doing at home. And then our learning outcomes. The adult learner will apply their understanding of concepts of print in conversation with their child, and the student learner will demonstrate their understanding of concepts of print, which will be documented by the teacher through the Seesaw application. So here I'll just show you the Seesaw application. Here's the blog portion of Seesaw. Here we have different articles that Angela and I both posted. This is for all families to see that are using the Seesaw application that have gotten the QR code from us. This resource talks about ways you can help your child in relation to literacy. Use your child's name, read and experience. So read about something and go and apply it. What can you do? Practicing their letters, playing sound games. Here we have an article about the grocery store literacies, so ideas you can use when you go to the grocery store with your child. And here's another one about environmental print, things that they see on cereal boxes, fast food restaurants, words that they recognize and symbols they recognize. And this is all ideas for parents to use outside of the classroom. This is a blog feature. And here is the student portfolio. This whole application is available on iPad and iPhone as well. Here we'll just go to my student portfolio. Here we have some images and tips for parents to use, again, to help their child. But down here we have photos of work that a child did relating to concepts of print, which we share with the parents. So here is Ellen's writing of her story about a penguin. So this is sent to parents, and they can use this as conversation starters with their child to discuss and reflect on their learning of concepts of print. And this also gives parents an idea of what their child is understanding and how they can push them further or reach them in a different way for them to understand. So again, this is the Seesaw application. So here's some more photos. Here's Troy beginning to write his words. He drew a picture, and here you can see he's attempting to write the word bat. So again, this is our screencast of our project of using this Seesaw application as both a blog and a student portfolio to reach both the child and the adult learner or the parent. I'd like to thank you for joining us for this screencast. This is something Angela and I are kind of excited about because we believe now we are able to use this blog feature in addition to our student learning portfolios to help reach more of our parents. Thank you for joining us.